morning from Disney's Contemporary Resort. We are here for breakfast and it's so exciting because we are eating at the Wave, but not at the Wave. We are eating at the Wave up at California Grill, and we have never eaten there, even for dinner. So this is the first time, which is really cool because then we kind of get to go back for dinner for the first time again. So this is exciting. Good morning from the California Grill. Look at our view. Oh my goodness, the world is awakening. What did the server tell you was the special today?
You can order a lobster tail here and you can get it any way you want. So I got it on my eggs benedict and I'm so excited.
Which is so funny because you've actually been wanting to eat over at the Grand Floridian. Look at that, there it is. You've been wanting to eat over at the Grand Floridian because they have the lobster eggs benedict there. So now you get to have it here. How exciting. This is what I needed. And they have unsweetened tea like on the cruise.
I think they have sweet tea, there was just some miscommunication.
That's basically if you want Teflon fireworks and fine bright.
Look at that. Look at
all that lobster.
I know.
And we both substituted the bacon for more sausage. So we're just not bacon fans.
I'm excited. This looks really good. Was that it right there?
That's the sign of love. I'll sit there.
Look at this now. Since we've had some of our breakfast, the windows have opened up. That was lovely. That was a really good experience. Food was great. I got the feast. Lindsay got the feast. As you saw, she also added that lobster tail.
It was a lot of food.
It was a lot of food. The view was awesome. Kind of a neat way to be able to eat up at the California Grill, even though you're having food from the Wave. So, kind of a cool idea while they're refurbing the Wave.
Yeah, I don't know that we would go to the Wave for that breakfast though, just because obviously the Wave doesn't have the awesome views, but this was definitely a really cool limited time experience.
Yeah, so this is going on until like the end of September-ish. September 12th or something like that, so very cool. Look in the hustle and bustle of everyone getting off the ferry.
Wonderful!
a little bippity boppity boo.
Bam! Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Totally restored. The train station is uncovered. One step closer. No Magic Kingdom Sunday is complete without a little trip on Pirates of the Caribbean.
Caribbean.
What did you just say?
Caribbean.
Here covers your bloomin' cockroaches. Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground.
Quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
We're trying the backside of water Dole Whip. It's got cotton candy Dole Whip and Sprite, and then a little sour candy. It's very good.
How was it?
It's really good. I just can't put my finger on what it tastes like because it's definitely not cotton candy. There's like no trace of cotton candy in this at all.
Throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms,
The ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
For this video. Thank you so much for coming along with us. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We do put out videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and we'll catch you next time.